All right, this is a quickie. Not much to say. Market's pushing down again today, and I was showing down about 20 or so. Um, could be a little more, a little less. So here's the daily running down, negative momentum. Here's the 240 again with the divergence. So it's floating down, but the problem is that nothing's going over value, oversold. Even on the weeklies, it's mildly oversold. We're not getting the extremely oversold indication. And on the weeklies, really the only rebounds are the extremely oversold, and then we start bouncing back. And what's happening really is, we're pushing down and we're making these very dramatic retraces. And that's just getting out a lot of cheap stock and then getting it ready for the next move down. So so these are almost like consolidations, and it's just keeping it in a fair value, instead of just flushing out. So everybody's looking for that capitulation, and it's just not happening because we get these dramatic retraces and it resets for another move down. So I don't know that we will see a classic capitulation. I mean, we're getting these very aggressive sell-offs, who's getting 90% down days, and equities down days and things like that. So that all would lie into a capitulation, but we don't get these oversold indications, at least not on this algorithm that I had written. And normally when I get those, that's the returns. So I mean, that's just what we have to watch right here. But this could be a very slowing roll. So right now we're on top of my next target, which is 39.09. This is actually the futures, so we're probably a little higher as it translates to the S&P. But on the S&P, I'm looking for that 39.09. We closed at 35. We're down 20. Yeah, we're about 39.15. So we're right there, man. We're right there, and we should tag that. And hopefully, whoops, that does the turnaround. Yeah, there it is, 39.0962. And then if that doesn't hold, we're definitely seeing that 38.40. And then it might have a psychological move to 3,800. But at that point, I believe that we've taken it out, and we've done what we had to do with the market, and it should that would give us a good 38% retrace from the highs. I mean, if we're going to 50% retrace, we're talking about 3,500, and there's going to be a lot of pain and suffering. A lot of pain and suffering. So that's it, man. On that happy note, hey, remember, calm, cool, at peace when you trade, and good luck trading.